Hey everyone out there, it's Roberto Mickey again. We've got another great hand question of the week. It's number 56 in our series. It's May 15th, 2025. Erythropoietin and nerve repair is the topic of the question today. In an article by Alsayed studying the effect of local and systemic erythropoietin on tibial nerve repairs in dogs, which statement is false? A. Systemic erythropoietin led to better histological findings of the nerve repair compared to both local and control groups. B. Local and systemic erythropoietin led to improved lameness scores compared to the control group. C. Systemic erythropoietin was associated with changes in albumin and hemoglobin levels at 12 weeks after the last dosage. D. At 12 weeks after surgery, the CMAP improved in the local and systemic groups. E. Local erythropoietin was not associated with blood and serum parameter changes. Well, here's your chance to pause the video, think about the question, and answer it. Local and systemic erythropoietin was associated with improvements in tibial nerve repairs in this dog model. The lameness, histological, and CMAP findings all improved with both erythropoietin groups. Systemic erythropoietin was associated with transient blood changes up to 4 weeks after the last dosage. Systemic erythropoietin was also associated with improved histological findings. The study points to the potential use of erythropoietin in human nerve repairs and the need for human studies. Well, here's the reference. And the answer is C. Systemic erythropoietin was associated with changes in albumin and hemoglobin levels at 12 weeks after the last dosage. It was actually only associated with changes up to 4 weeks. Well, hope you enjoyed the question, learned something, and we'll see you at the next one. Remember to like and subscribe to help support this channel. We'll see you on the next one.